How to remove cache and cookies from Facebook on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to remove cache and cookies from Facebook on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure that you sign into your account. Navigate to menu icon at top right corner. Scroll down. Tap Setting and Privacy. Select Settings. Scroll down. Now look for the option of Browser, which is under Preferences section. Select to open it and locate cookies and cache at top of your screen. Tap on Clear button and tap Clear. Now you have successfully removed cache and cookies from Facebook. Alternatively, you can long press on Facebook app icon and select App Info. Tap on Storage Uses and tap on Clear Cache. So these are the two ways to remove cache and cookies from Facebook on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.